OG's Flips. I've been posting flips, but I haven't done a review in a long time. But we got a treat for you today. I was sent this by a buddy of mine off Instagram as a passaround. It's I hope I said it right. Morph knives. It's the new turbid V2, and there she is. I love getting passarounds. I don't get many of them, but when I do, they're super fun. All right, let's get into it. It's titanium channel. Beautiful knife. It's pinless. You get jimping right here, which is a little different, but it really works good for fans and stuff. And none here, but it doesn't affect anything. The way the bead blast is or whatever, I really like it. There's the blade. Beautiful. Yes, it's a live blade. Get a little couple flips in here. I just first flips of the day, so we'll see how it goes. But this thing does anything you want it to do. Carries very well. More medium balance. I like how long it is. It's good for chaplains. Sorry. Like I said, these videos these are just about the knife, not really my flips. But I like to try and get some flips in decent. Show you what to do. Yeah, this thing is awesome, dude. I've had it about a week now, and I really like it. I'm hoping to kind of cop one from them. But yeah, look at that thing, man. That thing is so awesome. Just carries very well. My first flip, so I'm not doing too great today. But yeah, man, kind of a short video. I don't get into much detail. It's nice though. I really like it. It's really nice belly. That's a sound test. Got a little bit of ring to it. Amazing tune. I mean, no wiggle. No tap. So yeah, pretty much that's it for this. Go check them out on Instagram. It's Morph Knives. It's the V2. I hadn't seen the V1 yet, or never tried the V1, but I know this V2 is really good. Alright guys, good to see you. I gotta get off and get some practice in for the LDY online Bally comp that's coming up this month. So, gotta get me some tricks in. Peace.